You may also be wondering, how much can you earn with this business? This question, of course, depends on you as the person running the business, the focus and drive that you have, and the time you have available to spend on the business. However, the figures I'm going to share here are real because they're what I am actually charging. As I mentioned earlier, I am in the UK, and so most of my earnings are in British pounds. For the purpose of this course though, I've converted all figures to US dollars at the current exchange rate of $1.5 to the pound. So for example, where a client is paying me £40 per month, it will appear in this course as $60 per month. For the Twitter service, I have clients paying me between $20 per month and $80 per month for the basic service. The price they pay depends on how many tweets per day are sent out for them. Then of course, there are additional services that you can offer too that increase the cost per client. Additional Twitter services that you'll also learn in the course can add up to $100 per client per month. And other complementary services that you can offer can add even more. I have clients that pay me $600 every month for the services that I provide to them. All in all, offering a Twitter service can be a profitable part-time or even full-time business. For legal reasons, I have to end this video with a financial disclaimer. Whilst I earn the figures mentioned above from running this business myself, I cannot guarantee that you will do exactly the same in your own business. I know that this business works well and will work anywhere in the world, but your situation, time available, resources, location and level of effort will be different to mine, and so your results may be less or maybe more than my own.